No one had ever dealt with the problem of how steel was really used in the Industrial Revolution. I knew its potential. I think certain things stick in your claw, or they stick in your imagination, and you have a need to come to terms with them. At some point, you have to suspend judgment. You have to involve yourself with play and not worry about the outcome. Unexpected youth will always change the course. They'll always transgress those people who have come before. And that's why art remains vital.